Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the flowers badge in Forsaken Roleplay. So we're going to go to Yorick's resting place and I'm just going to teleport there. Then you are going to want to turn right. You're just going to keep going right. Oh my god, yeah, I'm just gonna send it. Then you're just going to talk, and as you can see you'll get the flower badge. But that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.